Hello, and welcome to all the children of Modern World School. Um, let's sing a song of Ganpati Bappa today. And since Ganpati is coming and is just round the corner, this is a song of Ganpati Bappa. Now, one important thing that you need to know is that Ganpati is not just one name of Ganpati Bappa, but he has 12 names. How many names do you have? I just have one name, and that is Madhura. But you can think about if you have got more than one name, and do you have 12 names like Ganpati Bappa does? Maybe not. But let's learn all the 12 names of Ganesh, of Ganpati Bappa, of Ganpati, of Gajanan, one god that we all love and really, really look up to. We call Ganpati Bappa the Lord of Knowledge, and somebody who gives us a lot of wisdom through his wonderful deeds. So this one is called Modak Valya Bappa. Now, why do we call this Modak Valya Bappa? That's because Ganpati really likes to eat modak. Yes. Have you had modak? It is it is made up of rice flour and really and it's white in color, and there's a yummy, absolutely delicious coconut and jaggery filling inside it. So, and it's made in a very beautiful manner, and we offer that to Ganpati Bappa as prasad, right? So this song is a really cute one. It's called Modak Valya Bappa Tuji Kiti Kiti Nave. Okay, so I'm going to sing one line and then you can repeat it after me. All right, let's go. मोदक वाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. मोदक वाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. मोदक वाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. मोदकवाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. पहिले नाव वक्रतुंड, दुसरे एकदंत. पहिले नाव वक्रतुंड, दुसरे एकदंत. कृष्ण पिंगाक्ष, तिसरे चौथे गजवक्र. कृष्ण पिंगाक्ष, तिसरे चौथे गजवक्र. लंबोदर पाचवे, सहावे विकट. लंबोदर पाचवे, सहावे विकट. विघ्न राजेंद्र सातवे, आठवे धूम्रवर्ण. विघ्न राजेंद्र सातवे, आठवे धूम्रवर्ण. नववे नाव भालचंद्र, दहावे विनायक. नववे नाव भालचंद्र, दहावे विनायक. गणपती 11वे, 12वे गजानन. गणपती 11वे, 12वे गजानन. अशा नावांनी रे तुला नित्य आठवावे. अशा नावांनी रे तुला नित्य आठवावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. मोदक वाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. मोदक वाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. मोदक वाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया. मंगल मूर्ती मोरया. So now that Ganpati Bappa and the Ganesh festival is coming around the corner, I want to tell you a few things about what you can remember during the entire Ganpati festival. Number one, if you celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, if you celebrate Ganpati Bappa's the festival, and if you're bringing a murti from outside, make sure it is made up of a soil called shadu. It's called shadu. Shadu. Now, this shadu, what happens? It's a very, very fertile and a very strong soil. It's a very good soil. So, when it is the day for Ganpati Bappa to leave us, and when we immerse Ganpati Bappa back into the water, we won't be polluting the water at all, because all the shadu mati, all the shadu soil will very nicely get absorbed, and it will make our environment very, very clean, and it will make it very healthy. So next time, and avoid getting a murti of plaster of Paris. It will be slightly more cheaper, but it won't be. It will be very, very expensive for our environment. So make sure that you get a really nice murti made up of shadu or any other material that is very healthy and very that will benefit our environment. Okay, so make sure that you do that. Number two, help around at home. Help around your mamas, your daddies, your nannies, your daddy, everybody at home, um, to either make some food or to help them in some kind of preparation during Ganpati. And number three, learn how to say some really important Ganesh shlok. Make sure how you know how to say some Ganpati Aarti. Yes, you can learn that this time. You all are big enough now to learn them. And parents, please do encourage children to learn all our traditional Aarti, shlokas, everything in a very beautiful manner. And if you don't know it yourself, I think this is a great uh, family tradition that you all can build together and learn it together. So make sure that our tradition continues, our culture continues. It's not about religion, please mind it. It's not about religion, but it's also about a traditional understanding and making your children more aware and equipped for what is our tradition all about. Right? So let's continue and let's sing the song one more time. So let's get started. One, two. Will you repeat after me? Yes? मोदकवाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. मोदकवाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. पहिले नाव वक्रतुंड. रिपीटेड. पहिले नाव वक्रतुंड. दुसरे एकदंत. दुसरे एकदंत. कृष्ण पिंगाक्ष. बिग वर्ड, राइट? बिग नेम. कृष्ण पिंगाक्ष. तिसरे. चौथे गजवक्र. चौथे गजवक्र. लंबोदर पाचवे. लंबोदर पाचवे. सहावे विकट. सहावे विकट. विघ्न राजेंद्र सातवे. विघ्न राजेंद्र सातवे. आठवे धूम्रवर्ण. आठवे धूम्रवर्ण. नववे नाव बालचंद्र. दहावे विनायक. नववे नाव बालचंद्र. दहावे विनायक. गणपती 11वे. 12वे गजानन. गणपती 11वे. 12वे गजानन. अशा नावांनी रे तुला नित्य आठवावे. अशा नावांनी रे तुला नित्य आठवावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. मोदकवाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. मोदकवाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. तुझ्या 12 नावांचे स्तोत्र रोज गावे. मोदक वाल्या बाप्पा तुझी किती किती नावे. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ती मोरया. Very nice. So, okay. So, I was just thinking if we can think about how many names that are there. Okay, let me ask you some questions. How many names does Ganpati Bappa have? Yes, 12 names. And if I ask you, um, should we say the names once? Okay. Vakratunda, Ekadanta, Krishna Pingaksha, Gajavakra, Lambodara, Vikata, Vighnarajendra, Dhumravarna, Bhalachandra, Vinayaka, Ganapati, Gajanan. So there are 12 names of Ganpati Bappa. And let me show you and share with you a beautiful image of Ganpati Bappa and all the names of Ganpati Bappa. There you go. These are all the 12 names of Ganpati Bappa. And I think it would be really nice for you to learn all of them as you grow older and help somebody to teach you how to write this in Sanskrit, in Devanagari. Okay? You can try that. If you want, I'll share this video with, share the image and the screenshot with your teachers, and maybe they can pass it on to you and you can learn furthermore. So I hope you enjoyed this song of Ganpati Bappa, and remember, Ganpati Bappa has 12 names. And remember all the names, and every time that you're singing for Ganpati Bappa, sing it with an absolutely clean heart. And make sure that you enjoy the festival, but not to forget how to protect and save our environment. Okay? Till then, have a wonderful, wonderful time. And I will see you with another song. Bye bye.